make remineralizing toothpaste. And I'm no dentist, but it's supposed to help reverse cavities and help to grow back some enamel on your teeth. Now I know that there's research out there that says that enamel cannot be... Excuse me! I'm trying to record a video!
Look at him.
Shh. Anyway, so do your own research, but whatever. This is the toothpaste that I use every day, and I actually had some pain up in here about a month ago, and I've been using this toothpaste, and now I'm pain free. I don't know if it was a cavity or not. I haven't been to the dentist, but so anyway, I'm going to show you how to make it. So this is what you're going to need. You're going to need vanilla essential oil. Now, not vanilla extract, vanilla essential oils. You're going to need trace mineral drops, clove essential oils, bentonite clay, coconut oil, and I don't know how to pronounce this right, but it's xylitol. Xylitol. It's a sweetener. You could probably find this in your grocery store, but you can get all of this stuff on Amazon. Oh, and one more ingredient. You need, it's called calcium carbonate powder. And again, I got that on Amazon. So, you're going to start off with a glass or stainless steel bowl. It has to be glass or stainless steel, otherwise it affects the ingredients. So, you're going to put in all your dry ingredients first. So, we're going to start off with the bentonite clay. And you're going to use 3 tablespoons of this. You don't need to record. So, are you recording? Oh. So 3 tablespoons of the clay, bentonite clay, and then you're going to do 1 tablespoon of the xylitol. And then a half a teaspoon of the sodium carbonate, calcium carbonate. So a half a teaspoon of that. What? Shut up. Nobody asked you. No commentary from the recorder. Okay. And then you're going to mix this up. Mix it up, mix it up. Alright, and then you're going to add your coconut oil. And you need 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now, they want it to be in liquid form, and because it's been hot here, this is pretty much in liquid form. So, like I said, we need 3 tablespoons of this. Now, if yours isn't liquid because it's not hot in your house, you can microwave it, or they say to use like a double boiler and mix it that way. Alrighty. And then you're going to stir until it's completely combined. Now, I'm going to say that this does not taste very good. It's not minty, and you're not going to be like, oh, my mouth feels so refreshed afterwards. My kids won't even use it. I'm the only one that uses this toothpaste. My husband won't even use it. I don't think it tastes terrible, but it's definitely not what you're used to at the grocery store. It's not foamy or anything like that. It's just basically like a paste that it doesn't taste good, but it works as far as I'm concerned. All right, so once this is mixed, you're gonna start adding in your liquid ingredients. So we need 3 drops of the clove essential oil. 1, 2, 3.
40.
Well, I couldn't see that it came out. And then 3 drops of the vanilla oil. Now my vanilla oil doesn't have like a dropper, so I'm just gonna pour some in. That should be good. Oof, it's very vanilla-y. It smells very vanilla-y. Okay, and then you need this trace mineral oil. 10 drops of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And stir it up. It doesn't look very appetizing either, but... And that's basically it. What I do is I put it in a jar and label it and keep it in my bathroom. And since I'm the only one that uses it, I don't need to worry about putting a spoon in there or whatever. Just put a little bit on your toothbrush every day, brush your teeth twice a day, and it works. So I will be doing another video maybe next week on a different toothpaste recipe that doesn't have the bentonite clay in it, because that's what makes this not taste very good. So we're going to try it out. My kids haven't tried it yet, so I'm going to try this new recipe I found, and hopefully they'll like it. So stay tuned.